Y'all don't really wanna fight in this bitch, no. Y'all don't really wanna fight in this bitch, no. Y'all don't really wanna fight in this bitch, no. Y'all don't really wanna fight in this bitch. My niggas started riding this bitch. We'll start fucking riding this bitch. My niggas started riding this bitch. We'll start fucking riding this bitch.
Turn the light switch on, turn the light switch on. I've been fucking hard with my night kicks on. Bartender, put me up, you gon' like this song. When we in the club, you gon' fight out this song. Turn the light switch on, turn the light switch on. I've been fucking hard with my night kicks on. Bartender, put me up, you gon' like this song. When we in the club, you gon' fight out this song.
Stumping through the crowd, I see my swag on invincible. Bad bitches throwing pussy, the whole scene getting loose. Santa bars and wine, yeah, we throw them bitches 2 by 2. Back up out the way, shit, this big money coming through. Expensive ass buy, like we sipping on 100 proof. Haters pay attention, stupid if you want to. Quick to flush you out, boy, you softer than your mama boo. Legendary grind like Bruce Lee, boy, I got the glow. Loaded as a motherfucker, fresh to death from head to toe. Cold bag moment with my click, picture moving. Spotlight this bitch like we bout to make a movie. Only thing is, these ain't cameras that we shoot. Niggas shouldn't have tried my man, my own zone zooming. SRG, big green, lit, big toolie. Floyd Mayweather, me a nigga to the music. Hit you with a fucking piece, keep the crowd moving.
Turn the light switch on, turn the light switch on. I've been fucking hard with my night kicks on. Bartender, put me up, you gon' like this song. When we in the club, you gon' fight out this song. Turn the light switch on, turn the light switch on. I've been fucking hard with my night kicks on. Bartender, put me up, you gon' like this song. When we in the club, you gon' fight out this song.
Back to the top, yes indeed, I'm in this bitch. I'm swagging through the club with the baddest chick. That ass on me, goddamn, this nigga watching. I Bruce Lee this nigga, then I dance over his body. Fucking to the ceiling, just me and my nigga. 4,000 Zanny boys got me out my